What's going on, YouTube? We are at Clean Culture SoFlo down in West Palm Beach, Florida, and it has a little bit of everything. It has show cars, it has drift cars, it has burnouts, and it has a lot of this. So sit back, relax, and watch the rest of the video. You'll enjoy it, trust me. Alright, let's head over to the drift pit and see what is going on over here today. So we're in the drift pit at Clean Culture. Right now we're trying to see what kind of cars are pulling through, what kind of cars are available, and this G35 right here looks pretty good. Meet my new friend, Igor. This is his Instagram, so go make sure you follow him. Igor drives a heavily modified Nissan 350Z with an LS swapped motor in it. This thing looks phenomenal, and I'm about to show you what it looks like in just a second. But here's some clips of him drifting. Let's head inside and see what kind of cars they have inside. This is outside by the vendor booth station. We're gonna go inside and take a look at the nice blue Corvette. Sorry, distracted. Anyway, we're gonna go inside and see what kind of cars are inside and take a nice look around. So this GTR is pretty sick. It has a Liberty Walk wide body kit on it. And in addition to that, it literally has LEDs inside the body kit. Like, I don't understand how, but it must have been a clear body kit and then he added LEDs to it. It just looks amazing on his part. And this GTR looks pretty cool. Really does. Absolutely love the Acura NSX, you know, especially in this red, this cherry red. That may not be the actual color of it, but it looks cherry red with the bride seats on it too. It's awesome. R34 GTR. All right, let's play a quick game. Let's count the GTRs that are here. So we have 1, 2, 3, So far, 4 R34s. Nice Tomei engine cover. 5. Nice carbon insides. And 6 R34 GTRs. That's insane. Alright, let's look at this RX-7 that's for sale. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Let's see. If anybody wants a 93 RX-7, this is the phone number. Take a look at it and see if you like it. The wheels look awesome on it. Looks extremely good and clean. I like it. How many miles?
The motor has like 3,000 with the motor. 840 to the wheel. Nice.
Alright, so if you guys didn't hear, it has 3,000 to the motor, enough horsepower at 840 to the wheel. So again, if you guys are looking into getting an RX-7 that's clean and already done, scroll back a little bit and see the phone number, hit this guy up, and tell him my channel sent you. That blue interior is so clean. Like, I'm a fan of anything blue, but that is clean blue leather. Definitely. 5-spoke wheels. Yeah, man, if I had the money, I'd shoot this guy an offer because this RX-7 is pretty clean. Pretty nice. Alright, so we are back outside. I have to record this in post because of copyright music. But this is insane. This is absolutely insane, the engine that is in this car right now. And if you were at the show, and I unfortunately didn't record it, the burnouts this thing is able to produce is ridiculous. The blower on that thing is huge, and the guys at Hobby Shop Garage did an excellent job with this, for sure. Alright, heading over to the drift pits. I want to give everybody a big thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to watch all the drifts. I want to shout out everybody that was there with me at Clean Culture. Thank you guys. Family ties and unity. And again, like, share, subscribe, and here we go for the drift videos.